Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I've just come on because I wanted to quickly share this die storage kind of like a sort of book kind of thing. Now I got this from I got it online from New Frog. I'll put the link in the description because I think this is fantastic. Because as you know, I store my dies on magnetic sheets. But the more dies I get, I just keep running out of them, and it is quite a lot to store. And this has got 10 pockets in, so there's loads of dies in here, and all you've got is that to store, which is not a lot really. Now it's made out of this, I would say it was like a rubber, a kind of clear rubber, which it's really thick, and you just, it pops open, and then you've got all of these pockets which they've got like a little flap on. You just open them up and then you can take your dies out. Okay, you can also take the pockets out if you just clip press the little kind of clip thing in the top and it comes open. So as you can see, it's just 10 pockets, and I've even got, this one's got dies and stamps which I've put in. Same with this one. And this one I knows like all my little bag toppers, the envelope die that I have, just a couple of random other ones, and I've still got 2 pockets left to fill. And I just think it's great. You can just get in there, you know, you can see what you've got, and these are actually so thick. They really are really thick. Now I think this was about, oh goodness, I don't know, about £8, £10, something like that. And what you can also get is, I've ordered another one, is where you can get it where the pockets are smaller. So I've ordered one that has 3 pockets on each sheet. So there's a bigger pocket there and 2 smaller ones there. And I think they're just great for, like, you know, your little dies, just little fiddly ones, like sizes like that. And you can get a one that's got 2 pockets, a one that's got 4 pockets. You can get all the different, I think there's 4 different options. Yeah, and I love this, really. It's another great idea and a cheap idea to store your dies in. And as I said, it's so thick, like a rubber kind of material. So I just wanted to quickly come on and share it with you because I love it. I've had my eye on this for quite a while. And I also picked up these really cute little gems as well, which were from the same company, New Frog. I'll put the link to them as well. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description if you want to give one of these a go, because I think they're absolutely great. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.